Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the FenSens smart solar powered wireless backup camera. So let's get right into the unboxing. Here we have the reference manual. Here I'll tell you the product and the contents inside, as well as how to set up and install your camera. So I'll just put that aside there. Just a quick overview of the installation process. Here we got the two-way mounting tab right here. And then we got a combination of different screws to mount this onto your car. Here we have the anti-theft screws, so using this in your installation should make it a bit more difficult for people to steal this camera off of your car. Here we have the anti-theft key to use with the screws. There's a couple different sizes here. Here we got the charging cable, so if you want to charge it beforehand or somehow you leave your car in the garage for a longer period of time and it loses charge, you can use this cable here to charge it up. So at the tap button here, you're going to pair it up to your phone, and then pressing the button will automatically launch the rear view or the front view, depending on how you install it, and show it on your screen right away, so you don't actually have to go into the app and press buttons. And here we have the camera itself. Here is the solar panel, the 1080p camera is right here, and this here would be the pairing button right here. So now that we've done unboxing, let's go over some of the specs here. So you're going to be connecting this wireless camera to your phone via the FenSens app. It's going to use Wi-Fi Direct as a communication protocol between the two. It has an operating temperature of 14 Fahrenheit to 122 Fahrenheit. It's IP65 weather resistant, so it can handle water being sprayed against it and dust. And it has a maximum signal strength of 33 feet. As this is a solar powered camera, it only requires 2 hours of direct sunlight to charge up the camera. But like I said previously, if you don't have longer periods of time where you can have your license plate exposed to sun, you do have the charging cable. Now that we're done with the unboxing, I'm going to set up the camera and the tap button in the official app, and then I'm going to go outside and mount this to my car. So I've gone ahead and I've charged this up using the USB cable and a power supply. Just by going down to the bottom here, you'll see that there's this little tab here where you can plug in the USB cord. Now I'm going to go through the process of pairing this to the FenSens official app, and you can find that in the Play Store or the iOS App Store. Now that I've logged into the app, I'm going to go ahead and begin the pairing process of the solar panel camera to the app. So I'm going to go over here to the gear icon. I'm going to click on Manage Devices, and I'm going to choose Cameras. Then I'm going to hit the plus sign. We are looking for your camera Bluetooth. So I'm just going to go over here, press the button, and now we can see the blue light flashing right there. And it's detected it in the app now. Just click on it. Now that's connected through Bluetooth, it's saying please connect the camera to Wi-Fi. So I'm going to click the gear here. And now here we have our Type S. I'm going to click on that. Now it says internet may not be available, so I'm just going to say keep Wi-Fi connection. So now the Wi-Fi is listed as the Type S 1080p. I'm going to hit next. And now it's finishing the setup for your camera. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the little camera here. Now we can see the video right here. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pair the tap button so we could have the app launch automatically. So let's do this. We're going to hit the gear once again. We're going to go Manage Devices. We're going to click on tap button. Then we're going to hit the plus sign. Then we're just going to go over to our tap button and we're going to pull the lever. We're going to hit setup. Now holding onto the tap button here, I'm going to hold it for 5 seconds in order for it to populate in my app. There we go. Now we can see that it has populated. So we'll just click the little arrow there. So it says adding the sensor to your account failed. So we're going to hit retry there. And there we go. It has been added now and the battery is at 100%. Now that we've done everything by setting it up in the app, pairing the two devices here, we're going to step outside and we're going to install it on my car and we're going to see how it performs. So here we got the actual load time from opening the app to being able to view the live footage from the backup camera. The live view is pretty good. There was a slight delay, but no major issue here. In order to fully utilize the tap button, you'll need to add the app shortcuts in the FenSens app. I ended up opting to not use the tap button. After my testing, I found that it only worked a quarter of the time. Something to be aware of is while connected to the camera, you won't be able to access anything that requires data. This is because you establish a Wi-Fi connection to the camera that has no internet. So this is where I'm going to end the video today. So if there's anything you would like for me to try, or if you have any questions, drop them down below and I'll answer them if I can. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.